Unlocking the meaning of meet with approval. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that you might have come across in your learning journey. Meet with approval. This expression is not just common in everyday English but also enriches your understanding of how approval is expressed across different contexts. So, let's break it down together and make sure you're comfortable using it in your conversations and writing. Meet with approval is a phrase that signifies receiving a positive response or acceptance from someone. When someone's actions, ideas, or proposals meet with approval, it means they are looked upon favorably by others. This approval can come from individuals, groups, organizations, or even society at large, depending on the context. For example, if you propose a new idea at work and your colleagues support it, you can say your idea met with approval. It's a way of acknowledging that your suggestion has been accepted and appreciated by others. Let's dissect the phrase a bit more to fully grasp its meaning. Meet, in this context, does not refer to the physical act of coming together but rather encountering or receiving a certain reaction. With is a preposition that in this phrase connects the action of meeting to the reaction received, which is approval. Approval signifies consent, endorsement, or agreement. It's a positive acknowledgement that something or someone has met a certain standard or expectation. Understanding each component of the phrase helps clarify why it's used to describe situations where acceptance or positive acknowledgement is given. To solidify your understanding, let's look at some examples of how meet with approval can be used in sentences. 1. The new policy introduced by the government met with approval from the public. This suggests that the public was in favor of the new policy. 2. Her innovative design ideas met with approval during the team meeting. Here, the team appreciated and accepted her design ideas. 3. The proposal to extend library hours met with approval from the students. This indicates that the students were happy with the decision to extend library hours. These examples show how versatile the phrase is and how it can be applied in various scenarios. Understanding phrases like meet with approval not only enhances your English vocabulary but also helps you navigate social and professional situations more effectively. It's a phrase that conveys acceptance and positive feedback, which are fundamental aspects of human interaction. We hope this video has been informative and has helped clarify how and when to use this phrase. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this explanation whenever you need a refresher. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.